Are you making them all yourself, or am I going to have to make them all myself?
You're gonna help me.
I'm going to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, so what are we doing?
First, we're gonna mix it on because it's hard.
So we're going to mix flour. We're going to mix baking soda, baking powder, ground cinnamon, ground ginger, and cloves.
Well, I already put this in before you could say it.
Okay.
That's enough.
Yep, that is enough. So,
The generator's on.
okay, but we do need to also mix those. So can you go ahead and add these as well?
Oops. Yeah, a little bit.
That's what baking with kids is, the mess you get.
Look, the generator got some of that.
Okay, the generator got some of the cinnamon.
Yeah, look. See?
All right, can you go ahead and mix in the baking powder and the baking soda?
I'm gonna put it right here where this is. Look, getting some of it. Right?
Mm-hmm.
And put some of this right here.
Gotta put all of it in there.
Put it right in the middle.
Okay.
This one here.
Mm-hmm.
Look, that's some of it. And that generator. Smart. Look at the generator. That's missing around. Wait,
Uh-huh.
that's a little mess.
That is a little mess. Just
Generator.
don't make a big, oh. Why is the generator still making more messes?
Because it's not marked. Hey, taking me off! Hey, big guy, why are you taking me?
Well, we need to try to
Not make a mess?
not make a mess. Okay, so
All done.
we're all done.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we are going to do next
Yeah.
is we're going to put in the wet ingredients first and then mix those all together and then incorporate the dry ingredients to make a dough. And we're going to make cookies, right?
Yeah, it's a cookie before you.
Okay, you did. Okay, so we're going to have
Some butter.
some butter.
Look, it's already melting.
Yes,
It looks like boogers, right?
it looks like boogers that we're going to eat.
That's nasty, right?
It is not nasty. It's going to taste ooey gooey good. Okay, we're going to put in the one egg.
Okay.
One egg. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla. What does that smell like? Does it smell good?
Yeah.
It smells like vanilla. That is vanilla.
Yeah. I love vanilla.
You love vanilla? Okay, we're going to put in white sugar.
And something before you can say it.
Okay, and then we're going to put in some brown sugar.
And then before you can say it.
Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and let's put it in the mixer. Let's mix it up.
Yeah, I'm gonna help you.
You're going to help me out.
Yeah.
It's because this is cooking with you and not cooking with me.
Okay, wait.
Okay. Wow, look at that.
It makes so quick.
Yeah.
So that's channel number 3.
Okay.
That's a start.
So we're going to go
Okay.
ahead and mix in some of the pumpkin puree. Okay, can you go ahead and mix that up?
It's
Yeah, put it
up.
down. Down. Oh, there you go.
Wait, fall down.
Yeah, you did.
I'm just free.
Up to 3.
Yeah, look. 1, 2, 3. What is this?
That is what you're going to eventually, you're going to put that in here a little at a time.
Look, the red light back on.
So you're going to mix in some of your dry ingredients in with the wet. Okay, so we're going to form a dough.
Put them in.
Just a little bit.
Oh, you made some mess.
I made some mess. Okay, so put that down. We're gonna go ahead and have it mix it just a little bit more.
Look, the camera's back on.
Okay, let's go ahead and mix in the rest of the dry ingredients.
No, let me pour in. I can help her, right?
Yep.
Plus, all of it.
Yep.
Let me put it back in. Did you see it fall?
Mm-hmm.
And you want to put it.
Okay.
Check it.
All right, let's go ahead and check and see our cookies.
Look,
Yeah?
it's open.
Okay. Mmm, cookies.
It smells good too.
That smells good too.
Yeah.
All right. So now we're gonna make.
Yeah.
What am I making?
The frosting.
We're making the frosting. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put our cream cheese in the mixer,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna put these in, all the wet ingredients, and then we're gonna slowly incorporate the confection sugar. Okay, so are you ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
And yes, we are using a gravy mixer or gravy float because that's all the utensils I have. So we're gonna go ahead and put the vanilla, and we're gonna put the butter inside.
Oh, I put the vanilla right onto it. Hey, why is everybody?
Because that butter is softened. All right, there we go.
But the butter didn't want to come out.
No, it didn't want to come out.
Yeah, I said,
Okay.
I want to give it in.
But I don't want to get mixed in. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and first mix those together. Mix, mix, mix.
1 hour.
1 hour.
Your bed. Be careful, it eats. It eats, right? That doesn't want to come off.
Okay, go ahead and mix it up a little bit more.
Missing 2 hours.
2 hours.
See? It's 2 hours.
So mixy, mixy.
Let's make the mix.
Okay, can you bring that up for me, please? We are now in the final stages. The cookies need to come out of the oven after being in there for 12 minutes at 350 degrees.
Yeah.
And then we have to cool them on a cooling rack. So while we have them cool down, which should take about 15-20 minutes,
Yeah.
we're gonna go ahead and put the frosting inside the refrigerator. So do you know how to frost the cookies? Do you need me to show you one time?
Yeah, I got it. I need you to just
Okay.
that one.
Alright, so that one's yours, this side's mine. So we're gonna go ahead and grip it from the top, and we're gonna apply some pressure here. And I'm gonna start from, let's start from the outside. We're making a circle. And as we go ahead and make that circle, I'm applying pressure to the bag. And, oops, the bag separated. So we're just gonna have to wing it. So let me go ahead and let's just blob. We're gonna blob. We're gonna
Wow!
blob. And then
Bobby,
blob. All right, you wanna blob yours?
Yeah!
Wow.
Wow!
You're
Wow!
doing such a great job.
Wow!
All right, let's put some of these pumpkins on.
Yay!
I'm just gonna put it on this blob right here. Here you go. I'm gonna get another smiling one. It's kind of cute, right? And I'm gonna put this on that one. All right. So hi everybody.
Hi, my name is Bobby.
Bobby, because we blobbed them all.
Yeah.
And we got ahead and made some pumpkin cookies. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
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 Yeah. What are we forgetting?
I couldn't collide.
Like and subscribe, please. Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do
Okay.
you like this video?
Yeah, I like this video.